Some of the first products that I started noticing that we sold were your basic pipe and base frames, 8 foot and 10 foot tall. These frames are very quick and easy to set up, super portable, the most cost-effective options because folks needed it quickly. All of our fabrics are machine washable, so you can wash them, disinfect them. We saw in the Javits Center and in places like that where our drapes were used on the front of a hard wall system to create basically very private rooms for their alternative care facility.
Thousands and thousands of drape panels going out. It was really awesome from that perspective to be able to help out so quickly, which was fortunate and great for some of the companies that we worked with. But now that need has slowed down, we've pretty much 100% shifted to making fabric masks.
We have been able to expand. We have moved from 1 shift to 3 shifts, and this allows us to bring on new employees and also offer our current employees flexibility in regards to scheduling and the ability to stay home with their families during this time. In addition to hiring, we have transitioned all of our warehouse employees from other departments to new roles within our sewing department, and we began cross-training them on their new positions within the sewing department to continue to manufacture the face mask.
I was doing powder coating, and now since everything has changed, they moved me over here to sewing department. Which now I'm cutting this fabric in pieces and sending them out to them.
Normally I'm a cotton. I cut the panels. Right now I feel more excited. I can do something else new, and especially for helping those people who need this right now. But I feel excited doing this.
As soon as I figured out what we were doing or why we were doing this for COVID, it felt like I had a purpose coming into work, a more better purpose, and it just felt like I was actually doing something to help those people.
The CDC and the government, the Surgeon General are saying people should wear face masks when they're out in public, if they have to be working near people. Social distancing and everything is important, but they're saying the masks are helping.
Our goal right now is to do anything and everything we can to get our country and our industry back on track so that we can get back to doing what we love, which is providing event equipment for trade shows and special events. And we hope to see everybody again soon and hope to be partying with everyone again soon.